Good morning, everyone. This is Siddharth Lahashne from Aerospace Department. Would like to present a topic on arithmetic reasoning. Now, what is arithmetic reasoning? Arithmetic reasoning basically helps us to select the required information from a given question and solve that question using some mathematical concept. Such question normally consists of a word problem, which helps us to determine what the question is actually asking of us. So, arithmetic operations are carried out when there is a requirement of solving with mathematical operations such as multiplication, subtraction, division, addition. Now, how to solve these arithmetic reasoning questions is basically you have to look at the problem, check the concept of math that is applied, and then arrive at the answer. Use the reasoning skills to analyze the information that can be useful and rule out the unnecessary data. Filter out the relevant information and find the correct answer. Now, arithmetic reasoning are asked from a number of areas like algebra, ages, ratio and proportions, sequences and patterns, percentages, HCF and LCM, fractions, and games and tournaments. Now, I would like to illustrate this arithmetic reasoning concept through an example. See, over here, Nikhil, in the question it is written as that Nikhil is 2 times as old as Abhay. This means if we take Abhay's age as X, so therefore the Nikhil's age would be 2X. This is Abhay's age and this is Nikhil's age. So in the second statement, it is written that in the next 3 years, the sum of their respective ages will be 66. This means that if I have to add, I'll be adding +3 in both the ages, and their sum is basically equal to 66. So basically the question is saying that the final equation I meant will be getting as 3x plus 6 is equal to 66, as x plus 2x will be 3x and 3 plus 3 will be 6. Thus 3x plus 6 will be 66 and we'll be getting as x plus x, I meant 3x is equal to 60, and therefore x is basically 20, right? So this is basically Abhay's age, while Nikhil's age would be double the time of Abhay's age, that will be 40. So this is how basically arithmetic reasoning question is done. Now, I would move on to the second question. See, over here, it is written a number of friends decided to go on a picnic and plan to spend rupees 96. This means that the total number of friends that were going to the picnic, they are planning to spend a total amount of rupees 96 on the eatables. Now, 4 of them, however, did not turn up. As a consequence, the remaining ones had to contribute rupees 4. So basically, if we take that the total number of friends that were going to the trip be X. The total friends, I am denoting F as basically friends. So the total friends going on trip be X. So to basically get the share amount for among these X students, I'll get the equation as 96 divided by X, right? I'm pretty much sure that you will not be having any problem understanding this equation. Now, in the second part, it is written that 4 of them, however, did not turn up. This means that the total number of friends that were going to the trip now being reduced by 4. Therefore, we'll get as x minus 4. And in the numerator will be 96, as I want the share now among those friends which basically turned up to the trip. So that will be 96 upon x minus 4. Up in the third part, it is written that As a consequence, the remaining ones had to contribute rupees 4 each extra. This means that if I subtract this equation for total share from the share being distributed among the friends which turned up in the trip, I'll get as, if this equation is A and this equation is B, so I'll get that A minus B would equal to be 4, as they have to contribute rupees 4 each extra. So I'll make some space over here. So if I do this, that 96 upon x minus 4 minus of 96 by x is equal to 4, I'll be getting an equation like 96 into 4 upon x square minus of 4x is equal to 4. Now this 4 will be getting cancelled from the LHS part, and thus our final equation would be x square minus 4x minus of 96. Now, if we'll solve this equation, we'll get the x values as 12 and minus of 8. Since negative value is not considered, therefore it will be neglected, and thus the 12 is the right answer. But this is the total number of friends that were going. Now I have to calculate when the 4 were not turned up. So basically it will be x minus 4. Thus our final answer would be 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So therefore C is the right answer. Here. So basically these are some questions related to arithmetic reasoning. And if I can also clarify the answers that I have taken out. For this, you can see that the required answer is 8. And for the first question, that was for Nikhil's age, the answer was 40 years. That was for Nikhil's age. Thus, I hope that every question I have solved and the concept for arithmetic reasoning is clear and your concept is getting strong. So thank you and have a nice day.